What holds people back? Why are they not taking action?
I really think that the goals aren't big enough. I think that people look at what they're going to do, like the goals they set in their mind. They're like, this isn't going to change my life any.
So what?
Let's say the person wants to lose 5 pounds, or they want to make another $2,000. When you run it through the calculator, right? You're like, okay, how is this going to change my life? There's no change. There's no real change.
No significant change.
Okay, I end up with another $2,000. I end up 4 or 5 pounds lighter. But what's the change? Like, look how few people read books. People don't read books because they're like, yeah, why am I going to read? It's not going to do anything for me.
Yeah. So you're saying you need like those hairy, audacious goals.
That's
huge.
what 10X is about. 10X is about, I set the wrong goals for my entire life. And I am extremely goal driven. So it's not like I'm not goal driven. It's not like I don't write goals down. It's not like I don't believe in, like, if you write it down, it'll happen. The problem is I was writing the wrong stuff down. My entire life.
You're playing small.
Yeah, probably still playing small.